This is Me: Identity Awareness and the Influence on Collaboration by Celeste Feliciano Mays. How My Gender Influences Collaboration. I am a 27-year-old female, and I believe that being a female heavily influences and impacts the way that I collaborate with others. I am sensitive, and I find that I really deeply care about how I feel and how others feel. I am a soon-to-be mother. Although I was not a mother while I was teaching, I am the oldest of 9 children, and I find myself to be a natural caregiver. I think my gender influences the way that I collaborate in the sense that my strengths are caring, listening intently, and providing feedback that caters to all needs. I grew up for part of my life with my mom in Santa Barbara, California, and then I moved to Idaho when I was 12 to live with my dad. I come from a blended family, and I am the oldest of 9 children. I am part Caucasian and Mexican American. I speak 2 languages, English and Spanish. Although I am part Caucasian, I identify with my Mexican heritage more because it was heavily represented throughout my life. I was raised partially by my great-grandmother. That's her in the picture there. I had the opportunity to see the movie Coco with my youngest sibling, and I felt that the creators accurately represented the Mexican culture in which I was raised. Family is first in my culture above all else. We make decisions together, everyone has a role in sharing resources, children and elderly are held in high regard, and I see teaching as a family that collaborates and works together to accomplish mutual goals. How my religious beliefs influence collaboration. So I was raised in Catholic and Christian faith, and as I grew older, I realized that no matter the religion, it's all about loving each other and helping one another. In the same sense, teaching is about a community of learners. So no one is perfect, everyone is learning and impacting each other. I believe that collaboration begins with a common belief to first trust and respect each other, and then to help each other grow. How my work background influences collaboration. I was a server throughout high school and most of college. My senior year of college, I was a trainer at Texas Roadhouse, and during this time, we would have frequent meetings on how to train new employees, how to boost morale, ideas on how to present food items, and a variety of other topics. I believe that this experience heavily influenced the way that I collaborate with others now because it taught me how to be a good listener, how to receive feedback, and how to help others think through projects, community events, and new ideas. How my marital status influences collaboration. Well, I believe in the institution of marriage. My husband and I have been together since 2008, and we were married by 2010. We're not only marriage partners, we are also music partners, and now we are soon to be parents. And I believe that we are constantly having to collaborate in order to make our marriage work. And collaboration is a marriage. Marriage involves commitment, hard work, parity or equality, shared resources, shared responsibility, shared accountability, development of trust, respect, and a sense of community. Marriage is a constant choice to collaborate, and teaching is also a constant choice to collaborate. Thank you.